Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up that's perfect for those busy mornings when you need a quick and healthy breakfast. We'll be sharing some delicious and nutritious ideas that will kickstart your day on the right note. So, let's jump right in. 1. Quick breakfast smoothie. First up, we have a fantastic option for all you smoothie lovers out there. A quick breakfast smoothie is not only refreshing but also packed with essential nutrients. In a blender, add a ripe banana, a handful of spinach, a cup of mixed berries, a scoop of protein powder, and some almond milk. Blend it all up, and voila! You have a delicious and energizing breakfast in less than 2 minutes. Fact: did you know that smoothies are an excellent way to incorporate fruits and veggies into your diet? They provide a great source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. 2. Overnight oats. For those who prefer something heartier, overnight oats are the way to go. This make-ahead breakfast is not only time-saving but also incredibly versatile. In a jar, combine rolled oats, chia seeds, your choice of milk, a spoonful of Greek yogurt, and a drizzle of honey. Give it a good stir, seal the jar, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, grab your jar, and your breakfast is ready to enjoy. Fact: oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy throughout the morning. They also contain beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber known for its heart-healthy benefits. 3. Avocado toast. Now, who doesn't love a good old avocado toast? It's simple, nutritious, and oh so delicious. Start by toasting a slice of whole grain bread. Mash half an avocado and spread it generously on the toast. Top it off with a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. For an extra kick of flavor, add some red pepper flakes or a squeeze of lemon. Fact: avocado is an excellent source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Plus, whole grain bread provides fiber and essential nutrients. 4. Nut butter and banana wrap. Last but not least, we have a delightful breakfast wrap that's both filling and nutritious. Take a whole grain tortilla and spread your favorite nut butter, like almond or peanut butter, across it. Add sliced bananas and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Roll it up, and there you have it, a perfect on-the-go breakfast. Fact: nut butters are rich in protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. Combined with the natural sweetness of bananas, it's a winning combination for a quick and satisfying breakfast. And that wraps up our quick and healthy breakfast ideas. We hope you enjoyed these tasty options and are inspired to give them a try. Remember, starting your day with a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a productive and energized morning. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy breakfasting. Bye, everyone.